I have here 2 boiled egg.
Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be about working out and making some breakfast. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this nowadays, I've realized when I'm working a distance, like when I work a little bit from here to here, I get tired a lot, I pant, and it's not really good for me. So I'm trying to skip. I usually do that before, but I stopped. But now I think I'm not doing any exercise from home. When I'm going to town, I use car, so it's like I don't work, I don't do anything. So I'm trying to do this exercise to keep fit. So if it's your first time here, my name is Esther. I'm a Ghanaian YouTuber. You're highly welcome. Kindly subscribe and share with friends and family. Okay, so I have here my water. Let me place it here. And the reason why I'm working out in my bedroom is because it's raining outside and I don't want to go to the hall too. Okay, so let's do this here. Let's try and do it here. We can exercise anywhere. Okay, so the skipping is on 00. It's on 00. The number is on 00. So hey guys. Okay. So I did 100. I was able to go 100. The beginning even didn't count. So I think I've done well. And I'm going to do it gradually. I think I have to do this gradually because if I don't take care.
Let's start making our breakfast. I have here 2 boiled egg, 2 sliced bread, half cheese, not half, quarter cheese, and also I have my baked beans in that container there. So I'm actually making boiled egg sandwich. Okay, and eggs is very good to eat after working out. And if you're someone you want to lose weight, please escape or do not add bread. You can eat the egg and have some healthy drink to it, and that's all. So here I added my baked beans in order to mix the eggs. When it is in the bread, it will not fall. Okay, so here I'm placing it in the bread, and then I grated my cheese on top of it. Then I had here my saucepan on fire, add a little bit of margarine, then place the bread on it to toast it nicely, and you can see for yourself how nicely this bread has become and looking very yummy as well. So here the sandwich is ready. I divided it into two so I can easily chop it, Here I'm pouring my orange juice and I have some ice cube in there, and voila, our food is ready.
Guys, this is what I'm having for breakfast. I thought I was recording. Yeah, hello. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. I'm going to shower and step out to do one or two things, but I'm not bringing you guys along. Okay, we are ending this vlog here, and thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share with friends and family, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye.